Hi friends, welcome on Europedia, and there is a good news for all of you who are waiting for the schedule of interview for ISRO. मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स का ISRO का शेड्यूल रिलीज हो गया है और अगस्त में उनके इंटरव्यूज़ हैं. सो लेट मी शो दैट टू यू. और ये साइंटिस्ट सी, एज यू नो साइंटिस्ट सी का डेजिग्नेशन मिलता है. ये 5 अगस्त मंडे से इसका इंटरव्यू है इसरो का. और आप ये भी जानते हैं कि इसरो के अंदर 50% वेटेज इज फॉर इंटरव्यू. दैट मीन्स रिटन एग्जाम प्लस इंटरव्यू, और इंटरव्यू में 50% का वेटेज है और बहुत ज़्यादा वेटेज होता है 50%. एंड इट इज़ लार्जली टेक्निकल. वेरी स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ HR इज आस्क्ड, लाइक what is ISRO, why you want to join ISRO, what you have done so far, those kind of things can be asked. And I'm very sure you will prepare that with the mentors of Europedia. That अगर आपका गैप है तो क्यों है, मास्टर्स में आपने क्या किया है, इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस, या अगर आपने जॉब किया है तो जॉब एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में आपसे पूछ लेगा. दोज आर कपल ऑफ थिंग्स दे विल आस्क यू. अदरवाइज लार्जली in ISRO it is a technical, so you have to revise the technical subjects. And mechanical में Europedia has already made these marathon videos of all the subjects. You should go and watch the marathon videos. That can be the starting point, and then watch many of the panel snaps which are kept on the panel of Europedia of each subjects. So it is a wonderful opportunity friends. अगर आपको interview call आया है, this is a wonderful opportunity, and I'm very sure you will make best use of it. So these are the students who have got the schedule of interview. So this is a long list for mechanical engineering graduates. In my opinion, not even 10% students go well prepared for the interview, and that gets reflected in the less score eventually they get in interview, and eventually they may not get selected finally. So I think you should start your preparation immediately. So a lot of students have got their call and the dates are given. So this is 19th August. Entire August there will be interviews. 27th August, 29th August. I'll be sharing with you previous years interview questions of ISRO. So it's after 9th, then September also, 6th September. So it is more than 1 month. Interview schedule for mechanical students is given 11th of September. (25th of September), 27th September. So entire September and entire August, these 2 months there will be interviews of ISRO. So sometime it goes till half an hour, and some subjects are very very important. You need to revise those subjects. And let me tell you friends, without practice you cannot get confident in the interviews, and Europedia gives you the best opportunity to do lot of practice. There are so many mentors of Europedia who will mentor you for very good questions which actually will be asked to you in the interview. Prepare your projects, prepare your internships, prepare your favorite subjects, and something related to ISRO also. Do all these things, and for reference there are so many videos on Europedia. जो बच्चे सिलेक्ट हुए हैं इसरो में उनका इंटरव्यू सुनो, क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे उनसे आपको पता लगेगा, एंड इवेंचुअली यू कैन प्रिपेयर नाइसली. प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़्यादा करो, गो फॉर मल्टीपल स्नैप्स एंड मॉक्स, दैट विल एनहांस योर कॉन्फिडेंस. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. अगर आपने इसरो क्रैक करना है, ज्वाइन करो Europedia को, एंड प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू.